Hello, students. How are you all? Okay. The next very important another topic here it is rules for sign convention of a mirror. Previously we discussed lenses and one more topic important one is sign convention for mirrors. Okay. Here one of the important topic here in this sign convention already we have seen concave or convex mirrors. Suppose if it is a concave mirror, this what we have a concave mirror, a mirror which is polished outside and reflection will takes place inside. This we are calling it as a mirror, concave mirror, and center of the mirror we are calling it as a pole, and center of a sphere we are calling it as center of curvature in which mirror is a part, and the distance between P and C we are calling it as the radius of curvature, and here we have a focal point or focus, principal focus, and this distance we are calling it as focal length. This all we discussed in the last videos. లాస్ట్ వీడియోలో ఇవన్నీ మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాము. ఇక్కడ రూల్స్ అనేవి అవి ఏమిటి అనేది ఇక్కడ చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ what is the rules for రైటింగ్ ఎనీ ఏదైనా ఒక ప్రాబ్లం రాసేటప్పుడు, ప్రాబ్లం సాల్వ్ చేసేటప్పుడు, లేదా ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు డ్రా ఎనీ రే డయాగ్రామ్స్, ఫస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు కన్సిడర్ సమ్ రూల్స్ ఆర్ దే. వాట్ ఆర్ ద రూల్స్ ఇక్కడ మనం డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ద ఫస్ట్ రూల్ ఈజ్ ఆల్ ద డిస్టెన్సెస్ మస్ట్ బి మెజర్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ పోల్. దట్ ఈస్ అవర్ ఫస్ట్ రూల్. అంటే హియర్ వీ కెన్ రైట్ హియర్ all distances should be measured from pole. అంటే ఏ డిస్టెన్స్ అయినా కానీ ఫస్ట్ పోల్ నుంచే మనం స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. అంటే ఎలా అంటే సపోజ్ హియర్ ఐ విల్ గివ్ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. Suppose this is a concave mirror. Like this we have a concave mirror. This is a pole and this is what we have, principal axis. Here if you want to measure it, means you have to go from this side to this side, or you start from pole to in this direction, or pole to behind the mirror. And you should measure from like this, and pole nundi ila, the pole nundi a direction. The origin, the first point, initial point is you have to measure it from pole. This is our first sign convention. And another sign convention is in the direction of light. Okay, మనం లైట్ వెళ్ళే డైరెక్షన్ని కనుక తీసుకుంటే దట్ షుడ్ బి టేకెన్ యాజ్ పాజిటివ్. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు కన్సిడర్ హియర్. The distance in the direction of incident light, should be taken as positive and opposite to the direction of light. Should be taken as negative. Like this. Here positive, here we have negative. What is the meaning of this one? Suppose here when a light ray is incident like this, okay, after reflection it will meet at one point. Suppose this is some object at this point, the object ఉందనుకుందాం, light is coming like this. Suppose if object is there, O is the object, light is coming from the object. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఈ డైరెక్షన్లో మెజర్ చేయాలనుకున్నప్పుడు పాజిటివ్ తీసుకుంటాం. కానీ హౌ కెన్ వి మెజర్ ఇట్? వి మెజర్ ఇట్ ఫ్రమ్ పోల్ నుండి ఇలా తీసుకుంటాం. అంటే బట్ అవర్ మెజర్మెంట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్ లైక్ దిస్. దట్ మీన్స్ the measurement we have to take in the origin as pole, and we are coming from pole to this direction, but our direction, the light direction, is opposite. If the situation is like this, then you have to consider it as negative. అప్పుడు మనం ఏం కన్సిడర్ చేస్తాం? నెగిటివ్గా ట్రీట్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, ఒకవేళ మన డైరెక్షన్లోనే కరెంటు కూడా లైట్ కూడా వస్తాయి, దెన్ యూ కన్సిడర్ ఇట్ యాజ్ పాజిటివ్. But if you consider that our direction and light direction both are opposite, then you should consider it as negative. That is one more measurement here. And here next, in this case the object is in upward direction, this arrow. If the arrow is an upward direction from the principal axis, you have to consider it as positive. Okay, you have to consider it as positive. And suppose if the arrow is in downward direction, you should consider it as negative. There is also one more measurement you have to write here. Height of the object. You can write height of the object, height of the object, height of the object. This is object height, h naught. Height of the object is h naught. Okay, you write here height of the object and height of the image, and height of the image, height of the image, this we can say it as hi. Height of the image is hi. Height of the object is h naught. They are positive. ఎప్పుడమ్మా ఇది? They are positive when the arrow is in upward direction. When the arrow is in upward direction. If measured positive, okay, or positive, or positive, height of the object and height of the image are positive if the arrow is in upward direction. Arrow is in upward direction means like this. And negative if the arrow is in downward direction. There is also one of the sign convention like this. Okay, like this we have to consider here. Like this we have, these are the sign conventions. And one more sign convention is also there. First one is all distances should be measured from pole నుంచి మనం మెజర్ చేయాలి. ఇంకోటి డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెంట్ లైట్ ఈజ్ పాజిటివ్ when our direction and light direction, if both are in same direction, we can consider it as positive, but in opposite direction we have to consider it as negative. That is also one of the case here. And next, for, can I write like this? First you write this one. One more point I have to write. For a concave mirror, For a concave mirror, I will write here. For a concave mirror, F and R are negative, and for a convex mirror, F and R are positive. ఓకే, అంటే ఏం లేదమ్మా, జస్ట్ ఇది కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్, దిస్ ఇస్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ and this one is pole. If a light ray is coming like this, okay, light ray is coming and it is moving like this. మనం తీసుకుంటే ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ని మనం ఫోకల్ లెంత్ అంటాం. లైట్ రే ఇలా వస్తుంది, మనం ఇలా వెళ్తాం కాబట్టి నెగిటివ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, వీ హ్యావ్ టు మూవ్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ టు దిస్ డైరెక్షన్. ఇఫ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు మెజర్ ద ఫోకల్ లెంత్, I have to move like this. Light ray is coming in this direction. Our direction and light ray direction both are opposite. That's why we can consider it as F is negative. But if you consider in convex mirror, both are positive. Okay, this is what sign conventions. 4 sign conventions are there, and they are very important for 4 marks. Okay, 4 sign conventions. First you write this one. One small, first you write one small formula is there, I will write here. Magnification. Magnification, and this one is represented with small letter m. How we define here, it is magnification is nothing but it is a ratio of height of the image by height of the image by height of the object. Height of the image by height of the object. This one is hi by h naught. This is one of the formula here. Height of the image by height of the object. Or we can also write distance of the image. Distance of the image by distance of the object. Distance of the image by distance of the object. The two, we have one more here. 2 marks కలుగుతారు. Magnification అంటే అర్థం ఏమిటి? And one more question is there. The magnification produced by a plane mirror. The magnification produced by a plane mirror is +1. How? You can ask like this. One question is there. Magnification produced by a plane mirror is 1. What does it mean? 1, how, when you will get the value of 1? When m is equal to hi by h naught. If both will have the same number, suppose height of the image is 2 and height of the object is also 2, then we can say that it will be 1. The one thing we have to remember here, it is when it will be 1, when both are, the heights are same, when the heights of image as well as object is same. When both height is same, then we can write as 1. When it will have positive, already we have seen in sign conventions, the height of the image and height of, if arrow marks, arrows are in upward direction like this. If this one is height of the image, if this one is height of the object, then both arrows are upward direction and both are at same height, then only it will have positive. But in most cases, height of the image and height of the object, height of the image is always negative. In concave mirror, if you consider 6 cases, out of 6 cases, 5 cases height of the image is negative. That's why all values of magnification you will get negative value, but when it will have positive value, only in case of plane mirror. And when you will get the arrow is in upward direction, when the arrow is in upward direction, that means the image is erected image. The height of the image, whatever get the height of the image is there, the height of the image is a erected image. When you will get the image is erected, then only we have positive. Okay, that is also one of the important point here, right? The magnification produced by a plane mirror is positive, means the size of the image, and positive means the image. First you write this one, the image, the size of the image and the size of the object, means the size of the image, size means height, size of the image and size of the object. We can call it as size or height, both are same. Size of the image and size of the object are equal. That is one point here. Okay, when you will get plus sign indicates the image is erected. చాలాసార్లు అడిగాడు ఈ క్వశ్చన్. What is the meaning of +1? Okay, what is the meaning of magnification is +1? Okay, write this one. Okay, last. Therefore, magnification is +1 means, what is the meaning of this one? Means the image is erected. And the size of the image and size of the object are equal. This is what we have to write here. Magnification. This is what we have magnification. The magnification paina sometimes they may ask for problems or directly definition, or what is the meaning of +1 indicates. What is the meaning of +1? Okay, write this one.